Hello guys, this is Anisha Annie and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to do makeup on my sister here. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. First, I'm going to use Vaseline moisturizer to moisturize skin. Next, I'm applying Lakey Absolute Primer on the eyes as we are first going to do eye makeup. Next, I'm applying a legal orange corrector wherever pigmentation is there. That is on the eyes, under eyes, and your mouth region. Next, I'm applying Maybelline concealer and spreading it all across the eyes and under eyes. Dabbing the concealer into the skin with a beauty blender. Next, using Swiss Beauty brow liner to shape the brows. Next, applying Maybelline Fit Me Compact to apply the powder on the eyes. By using You Can Be eyeshadows, I'm taking this orange shade and applying it on the crease. Now I'm taking this chestnut color and applying it on the outer corners of the eyes. To enhance the shimmer pigmentation, I spread makeup fixer on the brush. I'm taking these shimmer shades and applying it in the inner corners of the eyes. Next, applying Maybelline Colossal Bold Eyeliner. Now I'm applying a drugstore kohl on the waterline. Taking a brown shade from Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette and applying it below the waterline. Coming to face, I'm applying Lakey primer on the pores and dabbing it on the face with my fingers to close those pores. Next, I'm applying Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 230, dabbing it all across the face with the beauty blender. Applying Maybelline Fit Me Compact so that the foundation sticks to the skin. Contouring the nose with Swiss Beauty palette. Contouring on cheeks. At last, contouring on jawlines. Next, applying Wet n Wild blush on cheeks. By taking these shimmer shades, I'm applying it as highlighter. Next, using Vega eyelash color and Maybelline mascara. Applying Maybelline Baby Lips Lip Balm to moisturize the lips. Now applying a drugstore brown shade liquid lipstick. In the end, using L'Oreal Infallible Makeup Fixer to fix our makeup. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Hope to see you on my next video. Until then, bye bye.